Because, so, go first. Go down. We're waiting to do a movie. So we got downstairs and we randomly known that Kalu was already down here.
Yeah, I didn't even get down yet.
I don't even know.
No, just call go stay and we turn off the lights.
Kalu. Hey, Kalu, where are you going?
Yeah, I'm back.
So, it was already done being a blizzard. So I guess we're gonna stay down here. Kalu, no fetching or foodies. Guess I came up here to banish Kalu. See ya downstairs. Oh, geez. First the Kalu, then the Frida. So it's already been a blizzard. So I guess we're gonna stay down here. Okay, give me a good prayer for this.